working with reds just to bring it a little bit of love. It's so flirty. Hi everybody, this is part 1 in my rainbow makeup series, Red. So what I'm gonna do is I'm using my Fade into Hue ColourPop palette, and I'm going through each and every single color. I'm gonna try to use them all. I might not use them all though, just giving you a heads up. But today we are working with reds, so I guess let's give it a go. Let's make this like really cute, really simple, really nice, hopefully. And yeah, let's work from there. So first thing I'm gonna do is I am actually going to put on foundation on my face. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty foundation in 300, and I'm just gonna plop that all right on. Okay, so now that my foundation is on, I'm going to just prime my eyes using the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. Okay, and I think what I want to do is kind of just like warm up my eye a bit. So I'm gonna take this 𝑚, just a little bit, not too much, and I'm just gonna go right above. Tap that in, kind of like a cut crease area type of thing, and just fan that out. Might go a little bit darker, but always keep everything very, very light, because this is, honestly, this is a really pigmented color. Because you see, I only took a little bit, and look, it's already that bright pink right on there. So I'm gonna just repeat it on the other side. Okay, so now we have a nice little pink base. I'm gonna actually take Fantasyland, and I'm just gonna use that as highlighter. So right in there. Okay, and from here, I'm gonna take Lovecraft, and I'm gonna go just on the eyelid itself. You know what I realized in this red section? It's like mainly pink and one red, which kind of throws me off a bit, because I feel like it's supposed to be a rainbow, but there's not enough reds in this. Like, I understand maybe like 2 or 3 pinks, but to have 4 pinks and 1 red, it's like no love for any red colors. But I'm gonna go back into Altair, and I'm just gonna make this a little bit darker right here. But we're not gonna leave my red hanging in the dust, so we're gonna also take Paradise, and we'll just put it like right outside on that outer corner, just to bring it a little bit of love. This is cute. Like, this is really cute. Okay, so last thing I'm gonna do is take this prismatic, And I'm just gonna kind of put it on the inside corner. Wow, that shines. That shines a lot. I'm gonna make it shine some more. So with this prismatic, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very, very tempted to just make my whole eye shine because it is beautiful. And the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Fantasyland and I'm just gonna add it to that inner corner right there. Just like that. And from here, I'm gonna take my Stila black eyeliner and I'm just gonna pull it right down. Is this cute? This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This makeup is so cute. I like it. It's so nice. It makes me feel like all girly. But at this point, we are going to take our Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And we're gonna actually pull it up a little bit so that kind of clears up those ends if you have any. Beauty blend it away. Okay. Now from here, I am going to take my Mocha matchstick and just do a little outlines. Blend that all in. And then I'm going to take my Rare Beauty blush in Joy. And I'm not even going to open this full thing because there's a little bit right here at the top. And it's very, very pigmented. And watch, see how pigmented this is? Look, I only used a little bit of it. And my cheek is red. I have like the perfect amount of blush and I just literally dabbed on. I didn't even take this out of the container. Just like that. And I'm gonna take my NARS highlighter in Hot Sand Illuminator and dab this on up. Touch up my brows with my Benefit Brow. Okay, and now I'm going to take my Urban Decay lip pencils in Uptight and Stark Naked and I'm just going to outline and fill in. And now I'm going to just take a little Vaseline, just plop that right on. And you know what I just realized I didn't even do? I didn't even put on mascara. So I'm going to take my Stila Magnum XXX mascara. And I'm just going to okay, so I think this is my final look. I love it. It's so cute. It's so flirty. And the only thing I can say about this Fade Into Hue ColourPop palette is that I wish the red section actually had red. Like, there was only one color that was red, and that was Paradise, which is a beautiful color, but it's just so overshadowed by everything else that it just comes off pink in combination with everything else. So I feel like this isn't even like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. It's more like pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. You get it? But other than that, this is like a very cute pink makeup look. I'm sorry, I was supposed to do red, but this is the colors it gave me. It's really, really nice though. It's very cute. It's very lovey-dovey. I will say all the colors came off fairly pigmented. Fantasyland though, I felt like Fantasyland didn't come off as pigmented compared to everything else. It was kind of harder to see it through. But this was a really cute makeup look. And if you do a red makeup look, or if you even do a pink makeup look, because this is clearly pink, let me know what you recommend. Let me know if you've used the ColourPop Fade Into Hue palette. Let me know what you did, any tips, any tricks, any questions you have, all down in the comments below. Thank you so much, and bye.